was just not sure because it was too soon. But from the first sight, I knew that there's gonna be something. And then it was a long journey of friendship, ups, downs, and then finally we got together.
I'm here waiting till the fall. We're all fading after all. In a forest we never seen, we'll be sleeping in. Oh, one day, all the love will somehow be coming your way. All your pain will fade to memory one day.
मते वर्तमान लगुच जे घरे आमर से आज पर्यंत गोटे मेम्बर होता बर्तमान से अलग जगह को जाऊँगी मेम्बर तो रही घर लगुच कि जे अलग जगह से चलीगला भाया लगुच तथापि स्नेह श्रद्धा रबुदिन लगी रही प्रति।
It's a dead end, so let's go back. Whatever we find up there will be intact. Dawning rivers, fears of clouds can hurt us. We wave them down. One day, all the love will somehow be coming your way. All your pain will fade to memory one day.
Thought that I have some sort of spark. Like whenever I met her, it was really different. I don't know how to explain that. Maybe it was not love at first sight, but it was definitely spark at first sight.
One day, all the love will somehow be coming your way. All your pain will fade to memory one day.
सुमन और शैलेश, मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ये दोनों बहुत अच्छी तरह दे विल मैरिड लाइफ अच्छी तरह एंजॉय करेंगे। हमारा एक आशीर्वाद उन दोनों के ऊपर है। देखिए, हमारा आशीर्वाद दिए, भगवान का भी ब्लेसिंग्स होना चाहिए। तो जितना मैंने ये लोग सात जन्म तक मिलके रहेंगे, ये हमारा भगवान से प्रार्थना है, जगन्नाथ के स्वरूप पर प्रार्थना है।
Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
My thoughts of लाइक जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट थी मेरे पार्टनर के वो बहुत डिफरेंट थे एंड सैलिश इज आई गेस टोटली डिफरेंट.
I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
To be honest, whenever I look at her, it's the first thing I think that she is the piece that I always wanted.
சில்ல சஞ்சாரி உன்னை எனக்கு நீ தாட்டி அதான் கணக்கு பூ மேட்ட உர மண்ணக்க கட்டி கடி ஆத்தாட்டி என்ன மின்னுக்கு ஆமாட்டி எல்லாம் எனக்கு நீ கூட்டி வாசம் கூட்டுக்க ஒத்துக்கடி பொடி நக்கல வச்சிரு தவில அடிக்க பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்கவா பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்கவா நான் பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்க நெஞ்ச குத்தினமான கட்டிக்கிட்டு வாச புள்ளைய வச்சுக்கவா வாச புள்ளைய வச்சுக்கவா அடியே ராணி ரெண்டா ரெண்டா காமத்தல கட்டுற போடி அப்பக்கா கிராக்கா வெத்தத்தை விட்டு வாடி என்ன நீ கூட விட்டு இருக்கலாடி நலலா உன்னை ஒட்டி நடப்பேடி
வத்திக்க வச்சா வத்திக்க வத்திக்க பத்திக்க வச்சா பத்திக்க வத்திக்க பத்திக்க வச்சா தித்திக்க தித்திக்க ஆத்தாடி அம்மா வத்திக்க வச்சா பத்திக்க பத்திக்க இப்ப நினைச்சா என்ன கட்டிக்கா மலலா மலலா
சித்தப்பு சிக்கன சிக்கன வாராலே 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 முத்தன முத்தன தாராலே வாராலே வாராலே அடிக்க கரும்பு கொத்தன வாராலே 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 உசிர எடுத்து வச்சுக்க வாராலே
அழகிட்டு கோல போட்டு அடிக்கட்டி மேல பாட்டு அவ போல இங்க யாரு காட்டு கருப்பட்டா நூறு காட்டு அவ வச்சா வான வேட்டு கசவிட்டு நானும் போவேன்
So it was all up and down, but we managed to hold to our seats. And just like roller coaster, we always feel like, oh, this time we're gonna go. But yet we finally reached our destination.
நேனே
ரெட்டா ரெண்டா காமத்துல கட்டுன சூடா பக்கா கிராக்கா வைக்கத்து விட்டு வாடா என்ன நீ கூட விட்டு இருக்கலாம்டா கடலாம் ஒன்ன நான் ஒட்டி இருப்பேன்டா
சுத்து வட்டாரமே வழிய விட்டா கண்ணாலே ஒரு பட்டாளமே எங்கும் படி பாப்பாலே அடி நெய்சி நீ ஆனவளே அலங்கட்டி பூமகளே தித்திக்க வந்தவளே போத்தமரு மகளே சித்தப்பு சிக்கன சிக்கன வாராலே ஜொலிக்கு முத்தன முத்தன தாராலே சித்தப்பு சிக்கன சிக்கன வாராலே 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 ஜொலிக்கு முத்தன முத்தன தாராலே வாராலே வாராலே அடிக்க கரும்பு கொத்தன வாராலே வாராலே உசிர எடுத்து வச்சுக்க வாராலே
அழகிட்டு கோல போட்டு அடிக்கட்டி மேல பாட்டு அவ போல இங்க யாரு காட்டு கருப்பட்டா நூறு காட்டு அவ வச்சா வான வேட்டு கசவிட்டு நானும் போவேன்
Basically, it's like something you're searching for and you cannot find in anyone else but only this person. Like, whatever you are craving for, there's just one person who can give it all, or you can find everything in that person.
Your face, your eyes exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Set fire. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Look what we found. Karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom. Wow, we are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body. You glow, you glow, you color and fracture the light.
I never thought कि भाई he would be the person, but he showed me those sides कि भाई this things can, मतलब जो fun side होता है, जो vibe match वाला side होता है, और जो अदर साइड ऑफ लाइफ है वो मुझे देखा कि भाई लाइफ ऐसा भी हो सकता है. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि मे बी वॉट वो कहते हैं ना, वॉट यू वॉन्ट एंड वॉट यू नीड इज टोटली डिफरेंट. समटाइम्स वॉट यू वॉन्ट इज नॉट वॉट यू नीड, एंड Salish is what I want and what I need.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica. Girl, I'll be a flico, mamacita. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't gonna never leave.
Nervous, excited, a little bit cold at first, but then when we were together, sitting there, it's like we knew it कि भाई यही है जो है, and this is the best that could happen.
Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry, shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. You say you want a good time.
When you choose someone for life, if you are happy, then that's one thing. But when your both families are happy, that's really a blessing. So that's a really big thing for me. And each and every one in our family was so excited, was so happy, and I just wanted that for them, and I finally got that.
What you tryna do? Gold jewelry shining bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like.
Somewhere or the other, we actually grew pretty close, discussing about things, how things happened, what happened in our past, and how things have been. As a matter of fact, I already met Sailesh Bhai before actually knowing that he was the guy who she has been facing. And I was like, hey, easy. Aguru koiluni bhai. But yeah, I was like, at the first point when I came to know, I was like, okay. But then I was like, हाँ ठीक है, at least I know this guy and that typical Indian brother wala feeling as well. But then again I was like, हाँ नहीं, like हाँ he will take care of. And she will be. End of the day, all that matters is she is happy.
होने लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 Let's not joke. Everybody, let's not joke. चलो नाचो. कल डांस खुला, रोमांस खुला, ओ बात सुना.
लेकिन वो मुझे बुआ बुलाती है, वो मेरा स्पेशल प्रेफरेंस है। सबको दूसरा कुछ बुलाती है, मुझे बुआ बुलाती है। बचपन से वो इतनी प्यारी, इतनी सुंदर, इतनी चुलबुली थी, आप अभी देखेंगे तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा। जैसे कोई भी देखेगा वो हरदम जहाँ भी देखेगी बहुत प्यार से बुआ बोल के मुझे हग करेगी, ये करेगी, इस टाइप की।
நியாயம் தர்மம் கிடையாது பாத மாற பிடிக்காது பாசம் நேசம் புரியாது ஊரு உலகம் தெரியாது நியாயம் தர்மம் கிடையாது பாத மாற பிடிக்காது பாசம் நேசம் புரியாது வேணாம்பா ஹே பூச்சாண்டி
हाँ जान 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 जान
जाऊंगा मैं, फिल्म दिखाऊंगा मैं, सैर कराऊंगा मैं, रात को आऊंगा मैं, तुम्हें ले जाऊंगा मैं, फिल्म दिखाऊंगा मैं, सैर कराऊंगा मैं। मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी।
वैसे बोलने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है, बट अभी खाली टाइम हो रहा तो इसलिए मैं जल्द से जल्द बोल रहा हूँ आई लव यू, विच इज वेरी स्मॉल थिंग फॉर व्हाट शी इज, बट या
स्मॉल थिंग को हम बिग करते हैं ओडिया में बोल के। ओडिया रे कोई दिया
ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଛି। All the suggestions are wrong by the way.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
शैलेश और सुमन भल सिलेक्शन कले दी जन परस्पर को सेमान तो ताका लाइफ पार्टनर सिलेक्शन कले किंतु गोटे बंधु मिलनटा फैमिली और गोटे फैमिली जो मिसुछु सेटा बोलते हमर सौभाग्यर कथा सेमाने दी जन जो परस्पर लाइफ पार्टनर सिलेक्शन कले किंतु हम जो तांको बंधु माने और आम बंधु माने समस्तकर गोटे प्रकार चिंताधारा जे सेमान केमती भगवान ताको जन्म जन्म को भल रखतु से
When we were friends as well, it was always like I was very comfortable with him. I can share anything with him. I can explore new things with him. So I would say it started with friendship, and maybe we didn't thought like it would go this long. So pretty excited, and I can't believe कि भाई कल मेरी शादी होने वाली है, like पूरा life change होने वाला है. But I know with him it will be easy. And it would be more fun with him. I mean, किसी और के शायद या मैं अकेली होती तो शायद it won't be possible, but him, I know it would be a smooth ride with him.
ऐसे रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया, ऐसे रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया, और कोई रंग मुझ पे कभी लागे नहीं, और कोई रंग डाले भी तो लागे नहीं। ऐसे रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया, ऐसे रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया, और कोई रंग मुझ पे कभी लागे नहीं, और कोई रंग डाले भी तो लागे नहीं। रंग रेज़ा रंग दे मोहे रंग रेज़ा, रंग दे तू रंग रेज़ा, साहिब जी पिया।
So we had this discussion about getting married when she was in Turkey, and I was here. So it was late night and she was also tired there, I guess. Like 2 hours का time difference है. तो वो वहाँ पे तो we started discussing about things. First हम लोग थोड़ा मजाक मस्ती में या flirting and all, but then things got a little bit serious, and the most important part is like the mediators are nothing but our common friends. So they were like, you both vibe in a different way, lot of different ways and all. So why not you get married? So yeah.
रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया,
ପିଲାମାନେ ଭଲ
ବ୍ୟବହାର ବୈବାହିକ ଜୀବନଟା ସୁରୁଖୁରୁରେ କଟୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପରିବାର ସେମାନେ ଯେମିତି ଭୁଲିଯିବେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅକୁ ବାହାରକୁ ପଠେଇନି ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ଘରେ ରଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଭାବିବେ ଆମେ ବି ଭାବୁ ଯେ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବୋହୂ ଆସିଲା ସିଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ଝିଅ ଭଳିଆ ରହିବ ସବୁଦିନ ପାଇଁ ମୋ ପୁଅ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ମେମ୍ବର ହିସାବରେ ରହୁ ସବୁଦିନ ଭଲରେ ପରିସର ଦୁଇଟା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ସଦାବେଳେ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଭଲ ରହୁ ଆଉ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ବୈବାହିକ ଜୀବନ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭଲ ରହୁ ସେତିକି ଆମ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା।
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा तेरे पीछे पड़ा मेरे नाल कर ले जरा दिल देना दिल लेना दिल देना दिल लेना है सौदा है सौदा है सौदा करा करा है सौदा करा करा है सौदा करा करा है सौदा करा करा
Oh my God. तुझे लगता खराब मुझे लगता बुरा सौदा इश्क दा जो है तेरा आ आ एवे सेट तू ना हो परे हाथ let me go spoil करना तू मूड मेरा आ आ
ओ दिल को तूने छुआ ओ जट सेंटी हुआ ओ दिल को तूने छुआ जट सेंटी हुआ मेरे नाल कर ले जरा
दामाद जी दामाद जी अंगना में पधारे दामाद जी सब टुक टुक निहारे दामाद जी लागे सबको प्यारे हो दामाद जी अंगना में पधारे दामाद जी सब टुक टुक निहारे दामाद जी लागे सबको प्यारे हो तुम पर दामाद जी ससुरे को नाज जी सास बोले दूल्हों के तुम हो सरताज जी दामाद जी कंगना में पधारे दामाद जी लागे सबको प्यारे हो फासले नजदीकियां खुशी से सोचा नहीं था किसी कश्मकश का रिश्ता जुड़ेगा तुम्ही से।
दामाद जी अंगना है पधारे, दामाद जी सब टुक टुक निहारे, दामाद जी लागे सबको प्यारे हो।
मैं बर्तमान चाहूँ सर्वश्रेष्ठ दुई जन जाक शैलेश और सुमन को आमर सबुदिन पाखे स्नेह श्रद्धा लगी रहा लगी से निजर जीवन आगू बढ़ातु सब आम मैंने बर्तमान पछरे सपोर्ट अच्छु आम आशा करुँ आशीर्वाद दौचु एमर नूतन जीवन परिवार आगू से भल भाव चलातु सर्वदा आम आशीर्वाद सहित
गलु कहीकि भावना जे आम तो बड़ हो गलु आम सब तो पाखे अच्छु ए दुईटी परिवार हेले आमको जमी आमको सर्वदा तो स्नेह करुछु जानुछु किंतु सेमान प्रति आम स्नेह आमर फोन उठेगा तो कम कर बापा माँ प्रति तोर रेस्पेक्ट रहा दरकार से प्रति तोर कर्तव्य रहा दरकार से खुशी कले आम बहुत खुशी हबू सब जाचु जहाँ कहूँ मु सब दीटा परिवार को बैलेंस करके चलेबू आमर कमी हेले भी आम बापा माँ हिसाब से सब संभाली नेबू।
Amazing that way, and I think they're both honest to each other, they know each other so well, and having that communication is the most key thing in any marriage, and I think they've already got that right. So just be themselves.
Be kind to each other and people around you. I think that's the biggest thing you can do from your side. Everything else happens, but be kind to each other. That's the best, and I'm sure as you could already see that you guys have good chemistry, but yeah, I'm sure you will grow into very happy couple.
Wow.
It's a beautiful night, we're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares baby, I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go, no one will know. Oh come on girl, who cares if we're trash, got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patron, and it's on girl. Don't say no, 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 just say yeah, 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 and we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready, 'cause it's a beautiful night, we're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
She was the last missing part, which I needed the most. So yeah, she completes me. She gives me that peace of mind. She gives me like a lot of support in each and everything. She understands things. She's a good listener. She's a very good listener. Okay, so normally लड़के good listener होते हैं, but in our case, Suman is a good listener, and it's really amazing. Like to get a partner like her in this time, it's very rare. That's what I believe. So I hope इसी नजर ना लगे. Fingers crossed.
सलमा सितारों वाली शगनादी शुभ आई रे, बन्नों से बनने की मिलने की जरूरत लाई रे, शहनाई लोगों जी सबकी आंखें भर आई रे, शहनाई लोगों जी सबकी आंखें भर आई।
हो 16 बरस के 2 कदम चौखट के बाहर क्या गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए। हाय बन्नो परदेसिया के देश के, चौबार तुझको भागे, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए।
Whenever we met, like there were others as well, but we used to jam a lot, and it was really
I think
good.
it's the vibe.
Yeah, the vibe that was really on the same level. So that was really the thing that we decided that yeah, we should continue this vibe, not for now, but for eternity.
साथ जन्म से भी आगे जाना है इसको। जो कमी मुझ में है, जो मेरे में नहीं है, आई फाइंड दैट इन हिम कि भाई ही कंप्लीट्स मी। अब मैं पूरे हैबिट्स नहीं बताऊंगी इन द वीडियो, बट या देयर आर सम थिंग्स विच आई कांट डू, देयर आर सम थिंग्स विच ही कांट डू, एंड आई थिंक दैट ही इज़ द बेस्ट इन दैट वे दैट वेर एवर आई एम लैकिंग, ही इज़ देयर टू सपोर्ट एंड ही कंप्लीट्स मी इन दैट एरिया।
कल्याणं वैभोगम् आनन्दरागाल शुभयोगं, कल्याणं वैभोगम् आनन्दरागाल शुभयोगम्। रघुवंश रामయ్య సుగుణాల సీతమ్మ వరమాల కైవేచు సమయాన, శివధనువు విరిచాకె వధువు మది గెలిచాకె మోగింది కళ్యాణ శుభవీణ। కళ్యాణం వైభోగం శ్రీరామచంద్రుని కళ్యాణం। అపరంజి తరుణి అందాల రమణి, వినగానే కృష్ణయ్య లీలామృతం। గుడి దాటి కదిలింది తన వెంట నడిచింది, గెలిచింది రుక్మిణి ప్రేమాయణం। కళ్యాణం వైభోగం ఆనంద కృష్ణుని కళ్యాణం। పసిడి కాంతుల్లో పద్మావతమ్మ, పసి ప్రాయముల వాడు గోవిందుడమ్మ। విరివలపు ప్రణయాల చెలి మనసు గెలిచాకె కళ్యాణ కళలులికినాడమ్మ। ఆకాశరాజునకు సరితూగు సిరి కొరకు రుణమైన వెనుకాడలేదమ్మా. కళ్యాణం వైభోగం శ్రీ శ్రీనివాసుని కళ్యాణం. వేదమంత్రం అగ్ని సాక్ష్యం జరిపించు ఉత్సవాన పసుపు కుంకాలు పంచభూతాలు కొలువైన మండపాన వరుడంటూ వధువంటూ ఆ బ్రహ్మముడి వేసి జత కలుపు తంతే ఇది. స్త్రీ పురుష సంసార సాగరపు మథనాన్ని సాగించమంటున్నది. జన్మంటూ పొంది జన్మివ్వలేని మనుజునకు సార్థక్యముండదు కదా. మనుగడను నడిపించు కళ్యాణమును మించి ఈ లోక కళ్యాణమే లేదుగా. కళ్యాణం వైభోగం ఆనందరాగాల శుభయోగం.
I think in the whole world, he is the only person for which, like, I think, like, even I love his flaws as well. And he is the only person, the thing I don't even like, or I would not tolerate that. But if he does it, I somehow find it cute, and I think that's a miracle.
Love you.
తదిగిడ తగజడు తదిగిడ తగజడు తరిగిట తదరిన తదిదీత ఆనందం తలవని తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మొదలిక మళ్ళీ గీత గోవిందం.
ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాలావే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే. గుండెల్లోన వేగం పెంచావే గుమ్మంలోకి హోలీ తెచ్చావే. నువ్వు పక్కనుంటే ఇంతేనేమోనే నాకొక్కో గంట ఒక్కో జన్మే మళ్ళీ పుట్టి చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాళ్ళవే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే.
తదిగిడ తగజడు తదిగిడ తగజడు తరిగిట తదరిన తదిదీత ఆనందం తలవని తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మొదలిక మళ్ళీ గీత గోవిందం.
ఊహలకు దొరకని సొగసా ఊపిరిని వదలని గొలుసా నీకు ముడి పడినది తెలుసా మనసున ప్రతి కొసా. నీ కనుల మెరుపుల వరస రేపినది వయసున రభస నా చిలిపి కలలకు బహుశా ఇది వెలుగుల దశ. నీ ఎదుట నిలబడు చనువే వీసా అందుకుని గగనపు కొనలే చూసా. ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వానవే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే.
పాలకు కరగని మధువా పంతములు విడువని బిగువా జరిగిన దడగవా నా కథని తెలుపుట సులువా జాలిపడి నిమిషము వినవా ఎందుకని గడికొక గొడవ రలిమిగ మెలగవా నా పేరు తలచితే ఉబికేలావా చల్లబడినను నువ్వు కరుణించేవా ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే ఇంకే నువ్వే వచ్చి వాడాలే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే
తదిగిన తగ చెడు తదిగిన తగ చెడు తరిగిన తగరిన తగింది ప్రాణం తలవని తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మళ్ళీగే తగోవిందం.
Like for me, she was my first elder sister. क्योंकि in our relation I'm the elder one, so of course she was my elder sister. So while we were growing up, हम लोग जब अलग अलग रहते थे, one thing that I always used to look forward is कब vacations होगा, कब मैं उनसे मिलूँगी. She always used to come like in morning, मतलब सुबह 5 बजे वो आके नीचे बैठी रहती थी कि मानसी आएगी, then we will talk. I used to have sleepless night on train कि अभी आना है मुझे, मेरी दीदी से मिलना है. So of course हम लोग घर घर खेल रहे थे और आज वो घर बसा रही है. So that is of course very emotional for me. And yeah, I can't say what I'm feeling right now because she's very special to me. She's very special to me, so it's very emotional time. Yeah, that's all.
आज सजे आए वे सारा शहर आज हो गई आवे रब दी महर हाय सजे आए वे सारा शहर आज हो गई आवे रब दी महर
बस साथ रहना एक साथ प्यार करते रहना और प्यार बनाते रहना ऑल द बेस्ट चलो एज ए फैमिली वेलकम सुमन टू रुष्टी फैमिली होप यू विल एंजॉय योर रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ
बस लाइफ में चैलेंजेस तो आएंगे ही पर चैलेंजेस को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस मत दो दोनों बैठ के साथ में सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करोगे ना तो आराम से आगे बढ़ जाओगे
For just a chance to win your heart, you could set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't a mountain you could point to I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. To hold your hand and call you mine. I'm tryna be your man till the end of time. Oh, I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. I would run through a fire just to be by your side. If your heart's on the line, you could take mine. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. I would swim across the sea just to show you. risk it all for you.
तो बहुत भल माने बहुत भल से थिला एवं चाचा बोली सब चाचू बोली डाके मते गेल कर दिए एवं बहुत माने चुलु बोली थिला आज पढ़ुची आम चाहूँ से जीवन भलरे चलू एवं शैलेश भी भल छुआटी मिसिकी भल जीवन रक्षा करूँ चलातु आगू भी चलातु
झील मैंने तो केते जल्दी बड़ हो जातु बड़ हो जाने आम कि जापारूनु जिते बड़ हो जाती भावु केते बाहागर हम भल छुआटे मिल जन भलरे लाइफ स्पेंड करेंगे कि जिते मिल जाए केते जल्दी से टाइम पड़े जाए आम मैंने बिलीव भी करूँ एत जल्दी टाइम पढ़ाई जाए जिते बड़ हो जाती से भावु केमती केते जल्दी छुआटे मिल कि छुआ मिलला बहुत कष्ट लगे जे आम घर जी रौनक थी सी आ रौनक पड़ुची आम घर को आसला माने छुआ माने झील माने माँ मान बड़ होगला बहुत बड़ बेस्ट फ्रेंड माने झील मैंने ही था से मैंने पढ़ेला आम घर पूरा भगवान करंतु दी जन जाक लाइफ भलरे कटू
किस्मत का फेरा जब तक तू ना था तारा मोरा मोरी रत्तियों से झूठा तेरा तूने मुस्कानों को यूं बिखेरा मैं था भटका न मोरा बसेरा तोहरी सांसों में घर है मिला अब ना जग की है परवाह कोई थाम ले तू मोरी जिंदगी तोहसे बढ़ के न कोई खुशी बारू बारू मैं बारू तोरी आज सौ
So that's a great
that actually shows true love exists actually matlab there is actually true love concept happening and especially in this generation if it is happening it's a really good thing and it's a positive sign that they will be happily married like it will be a fairy tale story I think
रहाना ये मोरा बदलाना था ये किस्मत का फेरा जब तक तू ना था तारा मोरा मोरी रत्तियों से झूठा तेरा तूने मुस्कानों को यूं बिखेरा मैं था भटका न मोरा बसेरा तोहरी सांसों में घर है मिला संग तोरे तोरे नाम का मोह धागा डाल दे
Yeah, I mean, finally, it's like it was long due, and finally we made it. It was a roller coaster ride, ups, down, pata nahi. I mean, Cold Fit was also there, right?
Yeah, Cold Fit was also big part of this wedding. But yeah, but Cold Fit ऐसा नहीं था because that I'm not sure or she's not sure about me. It's the thing is like now we were all individual entities, but now just because we are married, suddenly बहुत सारी responsibility आता है, and also I hope we will do it properly.
Yeah.
I hope in the tough times we will stand straight,
stand strong and
Yeah,
together.
exactly.
जैसे ये 2 दिन गया था, क्योंकि I think marriage is something, Indian marriages especially, where they test your love and your patience कि भाई do you really love this person? But then you get to know कि why do you love that person and why do you want to spend your entire life with that person, right?
So I think yeah. So अंत
You
भला
happy?
तो सब भला.
Yeah.
ना अंत भला तो सब भला. Yeah, it is. I'm really happy.